cooperated with well-known Swiss manufacturers of electric machining machine tools to learn its production and manufacturing processes, upgraded quality management system, and incorporate the German size 3 coordinate system into the machine tool production quality inspection process, greatly improving the quality of the machine tool. Medical devices, automobile manufacturing, digital home appliances, semiconductor packaging, aluminum profile processing, etc. Customer feedback is good, and we are your trusted partner. Firstly, from outsourcing parts inspection to factory inspection, precision inspection is carried out through CNC precision milling gantry grinding machine, and then to German size 3 coordinate system. The accuracy of each component is determined before assembly. Secondly, during the production process, experienced workers record each assembly result and have specialized quality inspectors conduct repeated inspections. Thirdly, after completing the assembly of the equipment, the accuracy is compensated using British Renishaw laser interferometer to ensure that each device can achieve micrometer level accuracy. Finally, before leaving the factory, specialized quality inspectors process and sample each equipment, and only after passing the inspection can be sent to the final customer. It is precisely through meticulous production and quality inspection processes that we ensure the high precision and high quality of our equipment.